Hi, I'm Head Weather Analyst Philip Duncan, looking at the weather for the week ahead. And I'm sorry to say, for those of you who do love summer, not only does it officially end this week, but the weather is definitely getting very autumnal. It's one of my favourite words, that one. So we do have, and many of you will say we never got summer in the first place, but that's a whole other debate. Anyway, here is the high out here in the Tasman. This is very slowly moving in towards the North Island. You can sort of see it by the lack of significant clouds, although hard to pick up on the satellite bit here, but these shower clouds moving into northern parts of the country, some of them very heavy, and a few showers also just brushing some northeastern areas, and that might turn around and also affect some eastern parts, say Coromandel, over the next couple of days. But overall, really the weather's looking fairly settled. Let's have a look at the rain map, because the first one I want to show you is this big global one to show you all the rain that's happening around us. We're in this sort of oasis of dry weather, if you like, coming in from the Tasman. Big showers up here in the Tasman. More interesting, I think, is the huge amount of rain over the desert in Australia. It's been like this for the last couple of weeks. A lot of rain falling in that area. And then the Southern Ocean, boy, it's starting to pick up a bit now. So let's have a look close up now what we can expect this week. This is for Tuesday in the North Island, and a few showers still brushing around the eastern areas. These blobs of colour you see, they're not necessarily just shower clouds, but more of the risk areas where we expect showers to form. So there's a risk of showers in this area. There's probably a few showers that could come in around these eastern areas as well, because this is just a snapshot at lunchtime. They might take a few more hours to pop up. So we will see a few little showers around, maybe one or two around the Nelson Ranges, and this guy down here, that's not coming in until later on in the day. As we go to Wednesday, this front now starts to really line up. It's exploding a wee bit, taking a bit more energy going into it by the southerly change that's coming on in. So the rain, expect for some rain warnings, I would say, or borderline ones up the west coast and maybe around Southland and Fiordland as well, but the North Island doesn't look too bad. By Wednesday, that rain starts to move into the North Island. Could be some heavy falls, could be some thunderstorms as well, because we've got warm air this side, cold air this side. So you get that mix up like we saw last week. Could produce a few, but we're not expecting widespread problems with that. And then this low deepens off the east coast, and you can see what happens as we get later into the week. It starts to really sort of deepen and drive up these stronger winds across the country, and probably a few showers in the mix as we get that southerly flow. And this next angle I wanted to show you, this is Saturday. This is what gives us a better understanding and why I'm saying it's going to be like autumn. If you look at New Zealand, which is here, and this is the southwest wind flow that's coming in all the way from down here in the Southern Ocean. So basically circling around Antarctica, and it comes straight up and across New Zealand. This high, well, that might slowly slide across the northern part of the country next week. But before it does, we've got this sou'wester. So that will mean the sun's still hot, but the overnight lows, they're going to drop down to the single digits for a lot of places. It's going to feel like autumn, and technically it will be. So that's kind of a depressing note to end on, but we'll find some positives for you in our next update, which will be on Wednesday. That's all from me.